ladies and gentlemen. I watched the 20th anniversary video from his YouTube video for Hak5 yesterday, and I got 2 little tips I want to share with you. Just to show you know how to get free calls. Okay, so on a payphone, you press the star 5 times to get a operator to give you return a free call. On a landline, you press the little clicker button that's in the inside of the handset 10 times, gives you again a free call. For the payphone, you press star 5 times, getting a operator, which in that case rerouting the call. I think we'll double check that. And for the landline, it's 10 clicks on the clicker for again a free call. Anywho, auf Wiedersehen, and remember, it's not always illegal if it's hacking. Auf Wiedersehen.